Hi friends, my name is Kanya Jalsing. Today I am going to tell about problem solving skill. Well, problem are the part of life. All of us face problem at some points or other in life. These problems may be in personal problem at home with our friends, parents, siblings, etc. Or it can be professional problem which you might face your co-workers, team members or manager or boss. Problem will always be there. We need to understand how we solve this problem in most efficient and effective manners. Let's discuss what are the agenda. We will discuss what is the problem. What will discuss what is the problem. We will define what are the problem solving and all about skill to use in problem solving, step for solving, strategy and certain analytics will discuss in problem solving, and role to brain in problem solving. So what is the problem? Well, if you have defined what is exactly is a problem in or certain statement which you might have used yourself or hurt somebody used like everything is going wrong for me, he or she will never change, you might say this yourself. There is absolutely no hope for particular situation. I seem have the word on my shoulder. How many times uses this face to yourself? Well, in a global sense, a problem is all of this statement will use to problem we have to define it. Means means a systematic approach to define the problem, some question or situation that present uncertainly perplexity or difficulty and creating a vast number of possible solutions which judges the solution. In a simple term, a problem is a doubt or difficulty situation which situation required to particular solution. And today we are will discuss certain strategy and certain step for problem solving, how we solve the problem in better manner. So let's start. What is the problem? The problem solving from part of thinking, considering to be most complex of all intellectual function, required modulation and control for more routine or fundamental skill. A problem does not know how to proceed from a given state to a desired global state. It is a part of larger problem process that include the problem finding and problem shaping. So problem solving is only a small part of the inner space in problem. Skill to use in problem solving. Marketing judgment. If you want to solve problem, first you judge what is the right and wrong, what is the right and what is wrong. Analytic skill. If you want to solve problem in good way, you must have analytic skill. Collecting information. We need to information of problem. Discussion making. How to take certain discussion. It it is a best part. Planning. Last we need to planning. So next, accepting the problem. The strategy to find the motivation and commitment to the prepare you enter the problem solving process. List the benefits is the most important. The problem is our benefit or not, it give benefit or not. Formalize your acceptance, create a worst case scenario, accept the responsibility for your life, identify what is holding to you back. Next is step for problem solving. What is the problem? Pro- First you find what is the problem actually. What are the alternative way to solve the problem? Advantages and disadvantages. What is the solution? First you find the solution of that problem. How well how well is the solution is working. Step 1. What is the problem? Question you ask, what do you know about the situation? Means, what is the situation of that position? What result am I aiming for this situation? How can I define the problem? Define the problem. Collect all the relevant information of that problem. Clarify the background of each background issue. Means it is good or bad. What are the constraint? Are there any sub problems or not? In the problem, the another problem are present or not? How to deal with sub problem? Means you are handling it good or bad. Question to ask when analyze the problem. History of problem, how long has it extended exists? How serious is the problem? This problem is serious or inserious? What are the case of problems? What are the effect of that problem? It is effective good effect or bad effect? What are the symptoms of that problem? It's good or bad? Step 2. What are the alternative? Means what are the alternative way to solve that problems? Some more alternative. External beach marketing, beach making, asking probing question. Be written to consider view different from your. Revisit ab- ab- abandoned alternatives. Steps 3. Advantage and disadvantage. What is the advantage and disadvantage of that problem? It is the best way to solve problem. Step 4. What is the solution? Which alternative will I preserve? Evaluate and compare the alternative. Compare the alternative of that problem. Combine the alternative and try try out each alternative in your imagination. Means the problem when you solve it is good or bad. Step 5. How well is the solution is working? Means what is my evaluation? It is good or bad? Means when you solve that problem it is good or bad according to you. What adjustment are necessary? And last is effect problem problem solution. Effective problem solution. The brain are the main part of our body. It is very depend for what is the problem is actually. The brain are the left part and right part are two part. The left part is the main part and right part is used to solve, is used to imagination and holding. In this type the brain are used. So let's start. According to left and right brain, the left brain is used to logic, analyze, sequencing, linears, mathematics, facts, and computation. Right brain, creativity is used, is do the right brain side is creativity, imagination, holistic, institution, art, non-variable, feelings, and etc. According to me, the left brain is used for the problem solving because it have the analytics to solve the problem. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? We have to discuss a lot of details today, like what are the problem, how to solve problem, certain skill set to required to solve problem, and certain step to solve problem in better way. Also understand left and right side of brain to helping to solve the problem.